Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete post on Instagram in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's go. For this, you have to open your Instagram and go to your profile. Now select the post which you want to delete. After opening your post, you'll find here 3 dots. You have to press on this. Now you'll see here a delete option. Press on delete. If you want to delete your post, then press on delete. Now you can see here my post has been deleted. So this is how you can delete your post on Instagram in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.